Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So today we're going to be looking at the BoxyCharm July base box, and there is at least one new item that I haven't seen. Maybe two. There might be two. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full spoilers for Ipsy July bags as well as the full spoilers for the add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, "Hey Mandy, happy Independence Day. Thank you for the video." Well, Lisa, honey, you are more than welcome, honey. And I hope your Independence Day went amazing. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, here in just a second I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that out the way. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are the spoilers so far for the BoxyCharm July base box. So first up is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Next up we have the 111 Skin NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster. Next we got the Babe Lashes Essential Serum. And then we have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Palette. Now you could either get that palette or the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise Palette, or you're going to be getting the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Next up is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Set and Spray. Now this next one I know we haven't seen yet. It's the Hourglass Arch Brow Macro Sculpting Pencil. Now the shades are going to vary. And then this last one, I can't remember if this was already revealed or this is a new one. It's the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. And again, the shades are going to vary on that. And also, guys, the Hourglass Cosmetics Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadows. Now, again, the shades will vary. I think there's 3 or 4 different shades. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me. Now, you'll either get that product or the Cream Shop Cushion Highlighter. And again, the shades are going to vary on that. And then the last thing, guys, now I don't know what box this is going to be in, but if you remember the Hank and Henry lipstick right there, the unreleased shade, there is going to be one of those in one of the boxes for July. I don't know if it's base box or premium. I'm not exactly sure, but as soon as they confirm that, I'll let you guys know. So I just wanted to mention that just in case it might be in the base box, y'all. So guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments. Which one are you hoping to get? And as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Cindy Permal. I hope I said that right. Anyway, Cindy says, hey. Well, hey, Cindy, girl, how you doing? I hope you had a happy 4th, honey, and I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, double check, please. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on that way you don't miss none of my videos. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.